So welcome back, guys. In Illustrator Photoshop, the first thing I'm going to do is to crop. Actually, normally I think I take my 4 ratio 5 or 8 ratio 10. That's like the Instagram standard. So you crop it to like your best fit. Just crop it to your best fit. So that's okay. Then you apply the adjustments. So first things first, you can duplicate the layer, Ctrl J. You pick your Mac, your quick selectors to W. If you're using Photoshop 2020 or Photoshop 2019 and above, all you need to do is just to select your subject. You come here and click select subject. So you allow Photoshop to do its thing. It's gonna give you a nice selection of the subject, but then you see that this too is exempted. Maybe because it is closely, the color is like very, very close to the background. It's brown, the background is red. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna first things first, we're gonna modify the selection, expand by 5 pixels. We're gonna expand it a little bit. Selection feather, we're gonna feather it a bit. Modify feather by 5 too. Then we're gonna create a layer mask. So what this does, it has made a nice selection of each. You understand? So first things first, we're going to press the slash key, the one directly above enter and directly below backspace. There's one in between backspace and enter on your keyboard. If you press it, you see what will I put it? What will I say it? You see a selection of your layer mark, so you can just easily paint out, or you can just easily add or paint out what you don't want. First, you should know white previews and black hides. So head into your brush, opacity at 100. You just add, let's make a rough selection of these two. Okay, I think a rough selection of these two. It doesn't really have to be perfect, you know. It doesn't really have to be perfect, you know. So making a rough selection of these two. Making a rough selection of these two. Making a rough selection of these two. I think that is it. Don't really worry about the background. I'm making a rough selection of these two. You will. Let's make sure you get all these two nicely. You could press X to. Okay, I think we're good to go. Pressing your slash key again. You see you've made a rough selection of these two. So you Ctrl J first. Then this up one, you leave it like this. Then for the down one, you press Ctrl I on the layer mask for the down layer. So when you apply layer marks, this is what you get. Just a selection of the background. So you remember on the down one, you invert your layer marks first, then you apply your layer marks. So you get a selection of just the background. Then on the uppermost copy, you still apply your layer marks. So So now this is what you get: the background and the subject. The background and the subject. So on the background, you go to filter, blow, Gaussian blow. You feather it out the way you want it. I think this is okay. 40 is okay. Before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. Let's go 45. 45. So you apply. Okay. So on this your background layer, yes, you apply a layer mask, black height. Take your brush, just paint over the shoe, the hair, and where you feel is just where you feel was cut off by the blow. That was too much. Where you feel was cut off by the blow. You understand? I think this is good. So you merge Ctrl E and Ctrl E. So this was what I did for this image. Then I added frequency separation, a little bit of Dojo burning to bring out the details in our skin, and a major layer. That's basically all I did. So I think this has actually come to the end of this video. So going over the steps again, you duplicate your layers, you make a selection of your subjects or your subjects, then you apply your layer marks, then you duplicate that selection, then you invert your layer mask, then you apply selection after you've inverted your layer mask on the down layer. So thank you so much, guys. If this video has